Happy Monday, everybody. Start of a new vlog. I just helped Seamus get this out of there. I drove the truck and pulled it out. It's full of mud. Seamus dug this little trench for us, but beyond this trench that way, it used to just be all like trees and woods, but Seamus cleared it because we wanted to have a fence for Chip back here, but it's too wet and we need a French drain. All the rain that we got and everything, it's just way too wet. This little tent over here stores lawnmowers and stuff for Seamus, and we just pulled this lawnmower out with the truck. Look at all of the mud. And I'm hoping that once we get a French drain, that will all dry out and we can eventually have a big fenced-in area for Chip. So this morning, Chip and I went for a walk, as you saw, and I made some French toast with my mom's homemade bread. Insert the picture here. But I'm off today, but I do have to run to a hospital to get a mask fitting. We have to be fit tested for N95 masks, and the kind that I used to have, they don't make anymore. So I have to go get fit tested for that. It should only take a few minutes, so I'm gonna drive over there now, then I'll be home, and I do have to bake a cake today. But other than that, I don't have much going on. I need to go to the grocery store, but I literally only need milk. So I might go to a convenience store. I feel like there'll be less people. I might have to pay a little bit more for it, but I may go to a convenience store for it. And then I'll do a big grocery order online, and then I won't have to go in. Okay, so I just wanted to point something out really fast. I just baked some chocolate cakes. I used the baking strips that I use in my Amazon gadgets video. I'll link that above here. But they worked really well with my chocolate cake. So they cooked like perfectly flat, which doesn't ever happen with my chocolate cake. Normally it only goes to like here, and then it domes up really high. So I'm super impressed. And somebody commented on the video and said, while you're making your chocolate cakes, to take the little bands and soak them in cold water until your cake is ready, and wring them out a little bit and then put them on. And it works so well. Like here, there's a little indent here because that was where I had to get it out of the oven, but I'm really impressed that they're so flat, and I definitely recommend these. Someone commented that they have the Wilton ones like these, and they are pretty much the same, so you can definitely get these ones on Amazon. Hey guys, it is Tuesday and it's my last day off before I go back to work. I have a lot I have to get done today, and I'm going to take you along with me. I have to decorate a chocolate peanut butter cake, bake a vanilla cake for later in the week. I have to edit my vlog and get that up for tomorrow. I have to go for a grocery pickup. The time slot I chose was between 12 and 1, I think. It's the earliest one I could get. In order to decorate the chocolate peanut butter cake, I have to get butter at the grocery store. I probably could have woke up early and went, but I just don't want to go into the grocery store if I don't have to. Chip and I did 2 long walks yesterday, and it's on the concrete sidewalk, and I really like the walk. It's nice, and Chip walked better on the sidewalk, less distracted. So it was good yesterday, but now my back is really sore. I have an old back injury from work, and every so often it acts up again. Every time I try to exercise more than normal, it hurts my back, so it's kind of frustrating, but we gotta deal with it. So I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen a little bit, put away the dishes, and then get to baking that vanilla cake. Okay, so my cake is in the oven. I have my boxes ready for the other cake that I have to decorate. Since the weather is nice, I think I'm gonna wash the outside of the windows today. I noticed yesterday in the sun that the outside is disgusting, and it's not the inside. I clean the inside of the windows all the time. My friend sent me the picture of the stuff she uses. It's like Windex, but you attach it to your hose. So I think I'm gonna get some of that when I'm out getting the grocery pickup. Before then, I want to go get the screens for the windows out of the basement and put those in the tub to get the dust off them. So I'm just on the way now to pick up our online grocery order. It's so nice outside. It says it's like 14 degrees out in my car, but it honestly feels warmer. I'm getting my groceries at Superstore today. It's just a small order of a couple things I needed. I need some butter to make buttercream for the cake I have to decorate today, icing sugar, and I think I got strawberries and stuff like that. So just a little order, and it's nice to do the online grocery when you don't have to get as much produce. I do like to go to the grocery store when I have to buy a lot of fruits and vegetables because I just like to pick the good ones, you know? So I'm just pulling in now and I will talk to you in a little bit. Okay, so I got the groceries and I'm on the way home. My plans for the rest of the day are decorating the chocolate peanut butter cake, taking pictures of that, editing a vlog video that I have to put up tomorrow, and then cleaning the windows on the outside. Okay guys, cake is done for the day. I'll insert a picture here. So now that I'm all done, it is 3:02. So I still have lots of time to edit my video. I should edit my video now, but it's so nice outside. And I talked about cleaning the windows earlier, and Seamus bought the stuff to clean the windows. I'm gonna try to go outside and figure it out. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. I'm just on the way home from work and I picked up some supper for Seamus and I. I didn't want to go to the grocery store because I don't need anything else other than something for supper. So we got something quick, semi-healthy Wendy's salad. I don't have much planned for tonight because it's 7 o'clock. So I'm just gonna go home and shower. And then I do have to print cake toppers. This weekend I have a baby shark cake due. I think it's for her first birthday. So that's what I'm gonna be working on tonight, is the cake toppers. I'm hoping my printer has enough ink, but I just got home. So I'm gonna go in and eat my supper and get in the shower. I will talk to you later when I make the cake toppers. Hey guys, it's Thursday and I just got off work and I went to Staples. I had to get laminating sheets to laminate the cake toppers that I showed you last night. I'm just at the grocery store now, ready to go in. I need to get something for supper. I think I'm just gonna get ground beef or something, and we're gonna make tacos, but I'm just gonna run in the grocery store now and I might get something for supper tomorrow, and then later in the week I'll do a grocery pickup. So I'm just gonna run in really quick. Hey guys, it's Friday. I'm on my way to work. Originally, my shift is supposed to be 7 to 7, but I think I'm going to leave a little bit early and use some vacation time because the person that I'm working with is leaving early. So I thought I might as well leave early too, and it's Friday, and I have to decorate a cake later. So later on, I'll be able to show you like a time lapse of me decorating the cake or something. So keep watching for that, and I will see you later. So today's Saturday and I woke up earlier than I planned to wake up. So I started some laundry. Chip and I went for a walk. And then Saturdays are normally cleaning days and also filming days. So I do have to film a YouTube video today. There was someone in the comments of my last video that asked if I would do a bake with me again. I haven't done one of those in a while, so I'm gonna film a bake with me today. That's gonna be going up on Sunday past after you see this. So if you haven't already watched it, go ahead and watch. I think I'm gonna film a cinnamon roll bake with me. I don't have a specific cinnamon roll recipe, so I'm gonna look one up on Pinterest. I gotta look for one that's a no yeast cinnamon roll because I don't have any. It's more of like a biscuit cinnamon roll. So we're gonna try that out. But for now, I'm gonna have some breakfast and then I have to take some pictures of a cake that I have for pickup this morning. I'll insert a picture here. I will try to talk to you a little bit later. So I finished filming my video faster than I thought. If you didn't already see it, go check it out. I made these awesome cinnamon rolls. Fun fact, my dad is a lobster fisherman, and where we live today, May 15th, was setting day. So they were out early setting their traps, and Monday will be the first full day of lobster season this year. So since today was setting day, my mom and dad normally hang outside for the rest of the day. So Seamus and I are gonna run over and have a social distance hangout with them, and I'm gonna bring over the rest of the cinnamon rolls. Hey guys, it's Sunday. I'm on my way to work for an overtime shift, and I didn't film anything after I said we were going over my mom's to visit outside. So I don't know if I have any clips from that. If I do, I'll insert that here. And then when we got home last night, all I did was edit my video that's gonna go up today. I don't know why I am so tired right now. I got a lot of sleep. Well, I went to bed at midnight and woke up at 7. That's a decent amount of sleep. So the overtime shifts that I do on the weekend are only in the morning, so I should be done by around lunchtime or a little after. If I do anything exciting after work, I will update you then. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I forgot to end it last night. I went to Home Depot after work yesterday and got concrete paint that goes down the stairs. My dad is gonna be helping us do the flooring in our porch and like cover up that concrete eventually, but it's driving me crazy how it looks so gross. So we vacuumed it all up. I just painted it over with some white concrete paint and I think it looks okay. So what I'm gonna do, I think, is paint the stairs too, probably white. So then I'm gonna get a black runner to go down the middle of the stairs and I'll like staple that in place. So I'm gonna finish that up on my next days off. So look forward to seeing that in my next vlog. But so that was it for my day yesterday. I'm gonna start a new vlog today. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.